Alright, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Donovan, back another video, and today we got the SKAIWATER preset. SKAIWATER recently dropped the project Pink Panthers. I'm hella tapped in with SKAIWATER. Not saying I know SKAIWATER, but I fuck with SKAIWATER music heavily. He probably like my favorite artist that came out in the past couple years, and I really love his production on a lot of tracks. So let's get into this shit. Today's song I decided to do Candy/Magic, which is on his new EP/album called I think Pink Panthers 2. And yeah, I fuck that shit heavy. So this is the original song, well, his rendition of the song, and I'm gonna show you mine, dry and wet. So let's get into it.
Make a sex, hit the roll right of the jet. Walk up in the function, my hoe got your hoe impressed. I'm a glaze single baby, yes, you hit like crack. That now, yes. Top, yes. Long chain, yes. That be the best. Bitch on my face, card you sit here when you stress. Can't turn me to, you know you pop my yet.
And yeah, that's his rendition of the song. And now I'm gonna show you my rendition, but dry first, just so you know everything that the preset is actually doing. So let's get into it.
Make a sex, hit the roadway, set a jet. Walk up in a function, my hoe got your hoe impressed. I'm a gushy for you, baby, yeah, she hit like crack. Yes, crop top, yes, yes, that be the best. She like my face card, see him when he scratched. Then came in too, trim me, pop that Molly, yes.
And then now this is what the preset on.
Make a sex, hit the roadway, set a jet. Walk up in a function, my hoe got your hoe impressed. I'm a gushy for you, baby, yeah, she hit like crack. Yes, crop top, yes, yes, that be the best. She like my face card, see him when he scratched. Came in too, trim me, pop that Molly, yes.
Now, obviously, I don't sound like SKAIWATER. I tried to get as close as I could to being like high pitched with my voice right now. My shit kind of fucked up. I used to be able to go higher, but this is the best I could do voice wise right now. But the preset does sound good. You just gotta have the voice. To be honest, SKAIWATER whole thing is his unique voice. So yeah, that's that. And that's it for the video. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and I'll see you boys in the next one. Peace. Also, don't forget, Discord in the description, Patreon in the description. If you guys want to come out and support in my Discord, we host events, song wars, sometimes with cash prizes, giveaways, all kind of crazy shit. You know, just join the Discord and stay updated.